Hey guys, I'm shooting this video on 18th May 2024. I'm telling you the date because I want to tell you the updates that LinkedIn has got. Alright, so starting with the first one is games. LinkedIn has launched games. There are 3 games, kind of puzzle, but they are very much intellectual because it will help you not only in memory but also in strategizing and figuring out numbers and etc. So basically, I love that update. Moving on to another update is photo-oriented LinkedIn. So basically, LinkedIn is now on a journey of making it a little bit more of a platform where so many interactions happening. So if you put some videos, pictures and your photos, they are going to work well, and in fact, if you are putting your text post, they will get a little lesser reach than post has some media or pictures on that. Moving ahead to the another update which is huge and I loved this one is LinkedIn is about to launch dedicated video feed on its app, and this is going to be a big game changer and is going to give a better competition to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels as well, because on LinkedIn it will be definitely about knowledge, wisdom, information and all of those things, for which we definitely need to have videos on LinkedIn. So if you are not posting videos on LinkedIn, get it started, because video feed is coming soon and definitely you can win that. Now another is that LinkedIn has started showing some post suggestions according to the way you are reacting to some posts. For example, I'm connected to Zed, and if I liked Zed's post, it may show me more posts of Zed like the previous post of him, or maybe it will show me similar post into that industry of other people. Right? So these post suggestions are really good. This shows that LinkedIn is on a mission to help you grow your reach, your engagement and your followers as well. So the next update is exactly the same, that LinkedIn is now showing follow suggestion of a creator. So for example, if you are watching my post and you like it and you don't even follow me, LinkedIn will give a suggestion to you that follow Shraddha or connect with Shraddha, whatever my primary is. So my primary call to action is follow, so people can follow me. And the another second last update, but stick to the last one because last one is my favorite. So another update is about conversations in comments. So nowadays, because lot many people then what is putting one word comment in hunger of getting so many reach on their post, but LinkedIn has said it very clearly, made it very clear that if you want to gain comments, it should be conversational, otherwise algorithm will not react to that. That means if you have meaningful comments, you're going to get good reach. If you don't having meaningful comments on your post, you're not going to get a good reach on your post. Now the last one, and my observation on these updates is that LinkedIn video is amazing. Bring it on LinkedIn, I'm gonna love it. Last update is that LinkedIn has removed creator mode. That means if you are a creator or not a creator, if you turn on this or that, no, it is not going to be a matter. So the features was available with creators mode is available to everybody. Now with that, I close this video, but make sure that you subscribe my channel. Let me know what are the current struggle that you have related to LinkedIn, social media, making money from social media and also digital marketing. I'll be very happy to tell you that. And yes, that's about it. Make sure that you watch out this video. This is the best one. People have loved it, and meet me soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye.